The boundary model is sometimes also called as topological data model, temporal data model, topological discrete model, temporal discrete model. The answer is topological data model. TDM or topological data model, very important in GIS and geography. Now any area, any geographic area has to be shown on map. Now when you want to show something, for example, you are saying that I live next to Mr. X, left to Mr. Y, there is a ground in front of me. So you are actually telling the spatial relationship. So topological data model is all about representing the spatial relationship. You represent the object using the features like point, line, polygon. What are the relationship between this point, line, polygon with themselves and with their neighbors? Now this is a face. This is an area. This whole area is face marked by A. Then you have this block which you see as a node. The arrow is showing the edge and the direction is showing the direction of the edge. Now this whole, you just have to understand that these are the spatial relationship being shown. So topology is all about spatial relationship between adjacent or neighboring features. These features are vector features. We are talking about the point, line, polygon and how they are related when they are actually going to be shown on the map. Now from this picture I will show you how actually topological data model works. TDM, topological data model, manages or take care of the spatial relationship. Spatial is the data, relationship is the relationship between these data or the feature. By representing this spatial data, it can be represented as point, line, polygon or point, line, area as an underlying graph of topological primitives, and these primitives, when they are placed in topological data model or data model, simply they are in the form of nodes, faces and edges. Now if you see here, this is a polygon B. Now this polygon, if you make a polygon, where it is, on what, on whose left, on whose right, on whose bottom. So this B is contained inside three line layers, 3 arc lists you can call, 1, 3 and 5. And you will see that this A is on the left of C, A, and this B is on the upper part of D. Now this 5 which is shared by B is also shared by D. So whenever you take this content and put it on the map on a digital platform, then this relationship becomes very important, which is provided by TDM.